English newspaper. North India shivers on New Year's Day as mercury drops. North India feels the winter chill as temperatures dip on New Year's Day, with the temperatures continuing to plummet across several states. Delhi recorded a minimum temperature of 7 degrees Celsius on Wednesday, with a thin layer of fog covering parts of the national capital. On Tuesday, the city recorded a temperature of 10.2 degrees Celsius at 8:30 a.m. The Delhi Urban Shelter Improvement Board has set up 235 pagoda tents to provide shelter to homeless people. Night shelters have been set up in several areas of the national capital, including Ems, Lodi Road, and Nizamuddin flyover, in response to the chilly weather. Residents of the capital were seen gathering around bonfires, while others took shelter in homes as temperatures continued to drop. The cold has also intensified in Rajasthan, severely affecting daily life in Jaipur. The temperature was recorded at 7.2 degrees Celsius at 8:30 am, while Bikaner and Churu saw temperatures of 7 degrees Celsius and 6 degrees Celsius respectively. As per the IMD, in Uttar Pradesh's Ayodhya, a layer of fog engulfs the city as the temperature dipped. In the city, in Meerut, temperature was recorded at 9 degrees Celsius, in Lucknow at 10 degrees Celsius as per IMD. In Jammu and Kashmir, the cold conditions persisted, with the temperatures plummeting below zero in many areas. The cold weather has caused the surface of the lake to remain frozen. At 8:30 am, Srinagar recorded a temperature of 1.5 degrees Celsius, 2.54 degrees Celsius in Gulmarg, 6 degrees Celsius in Pahalgam, 0.4 degrees Celsius in Banihal, and 0.4 degrees Celsius in Kupwara as per IMD. Despite the biting cold, people from across the country flocked to temples and churches in large numbers to celebrate the new year. Whether in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Ayodhya, Haridwar, Mathura, Varanasi, Ajmer, Tirupati, or Guwahati, worshippers gathered at iconic religious sites in Delhi. Despite the inclement weather, people began their day with morning prayers and aarti at the famed Prachin Hanuman Mandir in Connaught Place, while similar scenes unfolded at the Jhandewala temple. Thank you guys for watching.